This entitled woman is about to make these cops' lives hell.
Stop! Do not touch me!
You stupid!
You're the stupid one.
You stupid! No, you're not! No, you're not! Don't bite me! God!
Cops got multiple calls about a couple fighting in the street. Officers showed up just in time to see the suspects taking off.
So, guys, what color is the vehicle?
The vehicle is going to be black in color.
10 wrong behind it, 1050.
Come on, 6'3", 10'12".
What's going on, guys? Oh, nothing. I'm just trying to call her home, and people are walking down like, oh, I think she's intoxicated. Is she okay to go home with you? I'm like, yeah, she's okay. She's a little intoxicated.
Okay. All right, you got your license on you?
Yeah, I do.
Hello.
Hey, sir, I need you to step back right now. This is private property.
Okay.
Step back. Step back.
I'm
They
not
were just
stepping back.
concerned with
Private
her.
property.
They were concerned
No,
with her.
Bruce,
Okay.
step back.
Hey.
Private property.
Hey.
Babe, come
Step
down.
back.
Cut it out.
Private property.
Babe, come
Okay.
down.
Step back.
They were
Step back.
Do me a favor. Hop out of the car.
No.
That way I can talk to you alone.
Yes. Hey, can you please leave me alone?
Hey, put it in park. Do not do that.
Come down. Let me turn it off.
Thank you. Come back to the back of the car.
Yes.
Man, why are you acting up?
Nobody's doing nothing.
The complaint on that's going
You're
to
acting
be
up.
a
What are you doing?
witness.
Can I see your ID, please?
No, I'm not going to show you my ID.
You're involved
No.
in a disturbance. We are
No,
investigating.
I'm not gonna show you nothing.
I'm asking you, please, to identify
Okay.
yourself.
She's clearly intoxicated.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm trying to take her home, and she's giving trouble to all the people here. So
Okay. Thank you.
I'm good.
Can you ask him to close the I need this closed
Ma'am, you
right
are
now.
detained right now.
I don't
okay?
care. I don't care.
I know you don't.
Close
but
this.
so, no, you cannot.
I'm going to record this right now.
Yeah, you're more than welcome to, and you probably should, because you're the one acting up.
Yeah. Real quick.
Yeah.
Did you guys? I mean, did it ever turn physical?
Oh, no. She just fell down. She tripped right there, and she fell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good little cut on you.
No, that's because when she was falling, she went like that. Because she tripped over the curb, and I tried to grab her so she doesn't fall.
Okay.
But no, there's no physical altercation. She wasn't hitting me or slapping me, no. There's no physical altercation.
Let me ask you, please, take the light out of my face.
Why would I want to talk to you?
Please, take the light out of my face.
Why? Why would I want to talk to you?
Please, take the light out of my face.
No. Why would I want
Okay.
to talk to you?
Because we are investigating, and we're here for your safety.
Hey, sir,
So-
I have an attorney right behind my back, and whatever you're investigating, he's right behind you. So I'm gonna ask the same.
What I'm
thing.
investigating is behind me. Why is
Yeah.
that? That makes zero sense.
He says nothing physical, but he's got a cut on his nose. But he said it's because when she was falling, she like grabbed at him. She's in the passenger seat.
Guys, the wife had a little too much. I'm taking her home. That's all it was. And the guy called it in because
Hey, you should really
What's that?
He's with me, yeah, right.
Oh,
Stop! Do not touch me!
get your
You will not touch me!
get out.
Yep, she's going Joe. Hey, stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here.
Get it out! Get it
Okay,
out!
this is your
Get
last
it
chance.
out! Get it
This
out!
is your last
Get
chance!
it out! I don't care! Get it out! Get whatever you're doing, get your shit out of my car.
I mean, I'm taking her home, but
I get
no.
that.
But the thing is, he reached over. I saw him reach over the window. That's not cool. Like that's why she got really like.
Stop acting up!
You think I'm stupid?
Stop acting
you
up.
think I don't have cops? You stupid, bro! You stupid!
You're the stupid one.
You stupid! Get your
You're
shit!
the one acting
You
up.
stupid! Get your shit out of here!
No, he got to her face. I saw that. He shouldn't have get over the window.
Well, she needs to not grab him.
Do not
Stop.
flash me! Roos!
They told me to stay behind and not to reach over the window.
Yo! Stop it! Do not! I will.
I mean, he did go over the window. That's not cool. He should have just kept his guard. I think he doesn't understand that she's a female. Like she's
Sorry,
emotional.
I don't want to be rude.
but you are. So let's just start
Hey,
all over.
hey!
Let's just
I
start all
want to
over.
go hang out. I have a hotel.
Okay.
And I wanna go hang out.
Okay,
Can
just
we-
chill out. It's
Can
it's
I be
fine.
okay?
Yes, just stop. Please
Okay,
stop. Just
okay.
Take it down like 15
Okay.
notches. Okay?
I cannot wait.
Okay. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
That's it.
Witnesses. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Witnesses.
Yes.
Okay. Did it ever turn physical?
Yeah, they
Yes.
both touched each other. So she was running away,
Okay.
and I don't know if he tried to grab her or pull her back, but
Right.
she fell.
Okay.
And then he was on top of trying to grab her, and I had to pull his hand off of her.
Okay.
Then I seen his blood on his nose, and
Right.
then Mom took him to the car because we tried to calm him down.
And she threw
And
the
then
phone at him.
he
and
started
punched him.
recording, so she hit him,
Okay.
and then They kind of calmed down. Then I just got tired of it, so I called y'all because they wouldn't stop.
Okay.
And then they try to leave. This happened.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, fine. And you
Just stop talking. Just stop talking. It's not a
You're
big
telling me to
deal.
stop fucking talking? Go
Because
fuck
then we
yourself.
can just hang out and no one's screaming. Then we can just be
stupid ass
calm.
bitch. Fuck you. Oh.
Don't kick me. That's not gonna go well.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
And then if I did, you know who would fuck you up? My home.
Segment 58.
For this one?
The what? What?
Her?
Yep.
Okay. Jacob, you stay there with her? All right, step out for me.
No, I'm not. No.
Get out of the car.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You're Ross.
Come on. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
You.
Get on your
And
stomach.
what? And what? Why? Does that make you feel better?
I found that plate on the screen. However,
Just keep on
already.
Listen, we're gonna sit you up.
Come on. You know, just take her to Louis' car. All right, stand up.
Yo.
Let's go. We're going to the car. Come on.
Like, we would have just went home and it would have been fine. But now it's becoming a whole nother level.
that people are physically fighting with each other. We have
Oh
to
no,
look into.
there was
that's why we
no.
stopped
Oh no,
you
no,
guys.
she tripped and fell. No, there was no physical altercation. Okay. She tripped and fell, and I picked her up, and that's it. And they thought that we were fighting.
And you guys,
They
you guys are married?
Yeah. She's my fiance. No, she's my fiance. Yeah, we're getting married this spring.
Let me just get this off of her.
So stupid. You guys are stupid. You know that? Just stupid. Stupid ass. You know that? You're a stupid asshole. Yeah. Okay, what? Okay, and then what? You want to go through it? Okay, good. Does that make you feel better? Go. Why? Because your husband kept biting. Oh, what? You're gonna go. Okay. Does it make you feel better?
Do they have like a clip that we can just take it off?
No, you can't. If you do that, I swear to God, if you
Go over her head.
How long have you guys been together?
8 years.
8 years?
Yeah, since 2016. Yes.
Take it, you guys live together then?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. We bought a house together. Yeah, she has a daughter. Are you kidding me? She's a realtor. We're not trying to get our licenses off.
Is her daughter hers or
Her daughter.
is it both of your guys?
Her daughters.
Stop.
Just stop. We're just taking your purse off.
Don't bite me. Don't bite me. God, dude. Stop. Chill the f out.
Fighting.
You're acting like a child.
No, you.
Stop,
Is
man.
she biting you again?
She's biting the shit out of me. Just chill out. I'm trying to take your purse off. Okay? Just
Stop
chill
fighting.
out. Stuck. Just rip it. Can we just...
It's in her mouth.
I'm not.
Stuck in her hair.
It's stuck in... You're biting your purse. Stop.
You bitch. You're gonna
Stop.
Stop
Chill
kicking.
out.
Stop biting and kicking. You understand?
This has became ridiculous. You guys did not have to go this far. You guys did not have to go this far. Come on, man. Come on, dude. This is not cool, man. Like, we're going home and you pulled me over and this happened.
Jesus.
Can we just rip this thing?
Here. Yeah, knife. Can you cut it?
Cut it.
No, it's metal.
Alright, I'll take this off. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to take it off?
Yeah. Let it go. Just ignore it.
I've never done anything.
We're gonna try this again. Act like a grown up.
All right, get in the car. Get in the car. Come on.
Get in the car.
No, I don't want to get in the.
Jesus.
Dude, all that for a f***ing purse?
No, all that for privilege.
Yeah.
That's privilege.
That is privilege.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take this.
Okay.
I just need witness statements, I need names. Alright.
He's getting a witness statement. We're IDing them. Yeah, just grab their statement and ID. I'm gonna go talk to husband real quick.
I was trying to be nice and not rip her purse, but that went south quick.
Yeah. The car. She kept screaming at her fiance there. Call my dad. Call my dad. Call the district. Call whoever that might be.
Yeah, she thinks she's
That's all.
someone.
They call the district. Yeah.
Oh.
All right, what's your first name, boss?
It's Roos.
Roos?
Yes, Roos.
All right, Roos. So here's the deal.
There's
Okay.
no domestic violence. What's going on?
Okay,
Is it because of the...
Can I talk?
Yes, go
Okay,
ahead.
we've got a witness that watched her punch you in the nose. Okay, you're bleeding. Any kind of domestic battery in the state of Florida, we have to take someone to jail. She committed domestic battery on you, so we have to take her to jail. We went to grab her out of the car. She instantly started fighting. Okay, clearly, as you saw, she's got a couple felonies because she bit my sergeant twice. Okay, she kicked my sergeant. She kicked me.
Yeah, he was reaching over
No,
to her.
that's not the sergeant. When we were arresting her. Okay? You can't bite cops. You can't kick cops when you're being placed under arrest. Okay? So she's got a few felonies. She's got a misdemeanor, the domestic on you. You understand?
Yeah.
She punched him
She threw the phone and punched
in
him.
the face or where?
Somewhere up here is where she hit him. The nose bleeding was when he was out here.
Yeah. Would you like to give me a statement as to what happened over there with the punching in the nose?
No punching in the nose. That's
Okay, well-
complete false. She was
All right,
walking
I've
down
got a
right here.
witness. I've got a witness. So
That
we're
witness
not
is
even
false.
gonna-
No,
okay.
she didn't punch me at all. She tripped and fell, and I
Okay.
tried to grab her
All right.
so she doesn't fall. And when I reached, she scratched me on the nose.
Okay.
Hey, dude, if she punched me or did anything like that, there'd be a lot more damage.
Okay.
Than a little nick on the nose with a nail.
Okay. Can I look at your eyes real quick?
Yes.
I'm just making sure. All right. Are you okay to drive?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
5 minutes from here.
Okay. All right. Well, she's going to jail.
And how do I get her out of there? Do I just pull up and...
Whenever she can bond out, she'll call you. She has to be sober first, so it's going to
Okay.
be at least probably 10 hours.
Okay, so she can call me and then tell me how to bond her out.
Exactly.
Okay.
Which it probably won't be you.
Yeah, because there's going to be an injunction.
does that mean?
So you won't be able to pick her up.
Temporary no contact order, meaning you guys can't have contact with each other. Can't talk to each other, can't call each other.
But you said after
can't
10
talk
hours
in
she can
person.
call me, right?
No,
She can
I'm sorry,
bond.
I
She'll
misspoke.
be able to bond out in the morning after she sees a judge.
Are you willing to sign a victim's notification card for us?
What does that do?
It's saying that you're the victim of crime.
No, absolutely
Okay.
not.
All right, perfect. I got to ask. He won't sign anything. He won't do anything.
That's
so
fine. She's going
I'm cutting
10-15
him
based
loose.
on the witness
Oh, yeah.
statements. All right.
I'm cutting him loose. All right, here's this for you. You're good to go.
Okay.
All right.
All right, thanks.
Is he okay to drive?
Yeah.
He's sober?
Yeah, I'm not getting anything on him.
We're in that room right there.
Uh-huh.
He totally put her in a headlock twice.
When was this?
Right when I'm assuming that she was trying to get into the room right next to us. He was trying to get her away, put her in a headlock. They went right there. He put her in another one, dragged her over there, and then that's when the other witnesses saw it.
Okay, do you happen to have an ID on you?
I do.
Can we use you as a witness also?
Absolutely. Because we saw it. We saw it twice.
Hey, I got one more question for you. Hop out for a second. Yeah. All right, do me a favor. Go ahead and just turn around.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back for me.
Okay. What's this for?
We'll explain in 1 second. I'm trying not to break your watch or anything.
So he grabbed her like right there, and when she got about right here with this Volvo, she started reaching over and punching him
Oh
in the
yeah,
face.
she did punch him in the face.
She had laid down on the concrete
And was
on the
trying to kick
sidewalk
him in
and
the
was kicking
face.
and punching
thank
him.
you.
So
Okay.
there
Yeah.
wasn't a
Let
innocent
me
party
grab.
involved.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Okay, so here's the deal, boss. Got another witness, apparently, that's saying that they saw you put her in a headlock a couple times.
In the headlock? No, I did not put her in a
All right,
headlock.
turn for me.
No. She fell down when we were walking. I didn't put her in a headlock. That's crazy. Are you guys doing this on purpose or something?
We're doing our job.
He got her in a headlock. They got right here about this Volvo. She started reaching over her own head and punching him in the face. That's when the family came up and separated them.
I gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. So
I
they
gotcha.
had been at it for a minute.
Where you guys from?
Tampa. Like, we're just having fun. I can't believe this happened. Like, I'm just trying to take her home, and I'm getting in trouble for taking her home.
Yeah.
That's the point of fun, man. When people are out here fighting in the street.
Yeah, people don't mess with domestic violence.
We weren't fighting. I'm just literally taking her back home. Like, she fell and she
we got
tripped.
a lot of witnesses that see physical
we got quite a few
altercations.
calls in there.
People being in a headlock, people getting punched. That's fighting. So,
There was no headlock. I put my hand around her waist and trying to pick her up when she fell.
so
That was
I'm
not.
not calling the witness a liar,
Yeah.
man. That's what they.
Where's the
tell us
video
they saw,
footage?
so.
You'll have your day in court, my man. You'll have your day in court. That's what the justice system's for.
Stop, dude. Hey, she's gonna end up kicking out your windows with these high heels.
Apparently, she's kicking windows.
Okay. All right, 51.
We need to kind of hurry.
Yeah, I'll just take her up to the jail.
Yeah, take her up to the jail. I'll be there in a little bit with paperwork. I'm gonna stay here with him until.
My dad, my father. You know who my father is? Oh yeah, if I were you, you should be careful.
You said have a good night, go home, and then you came back to me like.
Yep. We got more information. Had another witness.
Two more.
Two more witnesses. Yep.
Yeah, those are the same people that called the cops.
Different. Completely different.
So it's your call to arrest me, put me in jail now because of that.
It's Florida statute. I mean.
If you don't let me know now, you know what? Your family and your fucking bullshit. Okay, go on. Go ahead.
Are you making threats now?
I don't give a fuck. If your family goes down, okay?
So I advise you to not make threats.
Hold me down, drop me down. Everybody now. My fiance, on top of that, he's the biggest boss in town.
No, I mean, I'm telling you the truth. I mean, I don't understand. I can't believe I'm going through this right now. Can I wander out?
All right, let's walk this way, my man.
Her sister can or somebody else? Yes. Okay, do I just...
Yep, okay. There you go. All right, hold tight.
Okay.
So what's going on?
Hello. You know what?
Ruslan was charged with battery domestic violence. Elizabeth was charged with battery, resisting an officer without violence, and felony battery on an officer. The prosecutor dropped the battery on an officer charge and reduced the battery charge to a simple misdemeanor. She was offered a deferred prosecution agreement. This essentially means there's no conviction or jail time, and the case will be closed after 6 months if she sticks to the following: complete an anger management class, write a letter of apology to the officer she bit, check in with probation once a month for 6 months, and pay a total in fees of $540. At Blueline Bodycam, I always bring never-before-seen police footage, and if you want to be able to catch these cases, please consider subscribing and join me on my goal to release a brand new bodycam video every single day in 2026.